Welcome to our channel. In this video we have questions related to general studies. First question is, the smallest district by size in India is option A Diu, option B Annam, option C Mahe, option D Central Delhi. The smallest district by size in India is Mahe. Option C is correct answer. It is the smallest district in India. It is geographically located in the state of Kerala. Mahe has the official name of Mayazi in the local Malayalam language. Next question is, education in India is option A state list, option B union list, option C concurrent list, option D residuary list. Education in India is concurrent list. Option C is correct answer. Next question is, NITI Aayog replaces. Options are Interstate Council, option B Reserve Bank of India, option C Planning Commission, option D UGC. Answer to this question is Planning Commission. NITI stands for National Institute for Transforming India. It is also called as NITI Aayog. The Government of India, in keeping with its reform agenda, constituted the NITI Aayog to replace the Planning Commission instituted in 1950. Next question is, Sivalik Mountains are also known as. Options are Lesser Himalayas, option B Greater Himalayas, option C Outer Himalayas, option D Inner Himalayas. Sivalik Mountains are also known as Outer Himalayas. Option C is correct answer. Next question is, the one-man commission constituted to examine the implementation of Presidential Order on Public Services 1975 and GOMS number 610 is option A Lalit Bhargav, option B Vanchu, option C Gilani, option D Amrik Singh. Answer is Gilani. Option C is correct answer. Next question is, the spiritual guru of Shivaji was. Option A Tukaram, option B Eknath, option C Namdev, option D Ramdas. The spiritual guru of Shivaji was Ramdas. Option D is correct answer. Next question is, the Speaker of Assembly submits his resignation to. Options are Chief Minister, Governor, Deputy Speaker, Judge of High Court. The Speaker of Assembly submits his resignation to Deputy Speaker. Option C is correct answer. Next question is, what is the name of NASA's most famous space telescope? Options are Bubble, option B Double, option C Rubble, option D Hubble. The name of NASA's most famous space telescope is Hubble. Option D is correct answer. Next question is, NAKFDC stands for. Options are Natural Source Krishi Finance and Development, option B National Safai Karmachari Finance and Development Corporation, option C Nominal Savings Kinship Family and Direction Committee, option D National Safai Kinship Finance and Division Committee. NAKFDC stands for National Safai Karmachari Finance and Development Corporation. Answer B is correct answer. Which of the following chemical led to Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984? Options are carbon monoxide, option B methyl isocyanate, option C ethyl isocyanate, option D cyanohydrin. Answer to this question is methyl isocyanate. Because of this gas, on December 3rd, 1984, more than 40 tons of the methyl isocyanate gas leaked from pesticides plants in Bhopal, India. So because of this methyl isocyanate, Bhopal gas tragedy happens in 1984. Next question is, minimum support price MSP for food crops is fixed by. Options are Ministry of Agriculture, Government India. Option B, Government of a state. Option C, Commission for Agriculture Cost and Price. Option D, Food and Agriculture Organization. MSP for food crops is fixed by Commission for Agriculture Cost and Price. Option C is correct answer. Next question is, Ology is the study of. Options are A, sun rays, B, bird's eggs, C, flower petals, D, sea waves. Ology, it is the study of birds' eggs and may also include the study of nests also. Next question is, diamond is an allotrope of. Option A, silicon. Option B, carbon. Option C, hydrogen. Option D, sodium. Answer to this question is, diamond is an allotrope of carbon. Next question is, the elements which is present in a large amounts in rocks and minerals is. Option A, iron. Option B, carbon. Option C, silicon. Option D, sodium. Silicon. It is an element present in a large amount in rocks and minerals. Option C, silicon is the correct answer. Next question is, laughing gas is a. Options are nitric oxide. Option B, nitrogen peroxide. Option C, nitrous oxide. Option D, nitrogen pentoxide. Laughing gas is nothing but nitrous oxide. It is a chemical compound, an oxide of nitrogen with the formula of N2O. At a room temperature, it is a colorless, non-flammable gas and with a slight metallic scent and taste. Next question is, the Lokpal Bill was first introduced in the Lok Sabha in the year. Options are 1962, Option B 1968, Option C 2002, Option D 2005. The Lokpal Bill was first introduced in the Lok Sabha is 1968. Next question is, marriage by purchase of a bird was known as. Options are Asura. Option B, Paisacha. Option C, Prajapatya. Option D, Rakshasa. Marriage by purchase of a bird was known as Asura. Next question is, Buddha delivered his first sermon at. Options are Kapilavastu. Option B, Sanchi. Option C, Sarnath. Option D, Rajgriha. Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath. Option C is correct answer. Next question is, the world's longest river is. Options are Amazon. Option B, Nile. Option C, Kolleru. Option D, Congo. Answer to this question is option B, Nile. The length of Nile river is 4,132 miles. Next question is, Pakistan and Afghanistan are connected by. Options are Bolan Pass. Option B, Khyber Pass. Option C, Rotang Pass. Option D, Afghan Pass. Answer to this question is, Pakistan and Afghanistan are connected by Khyber Pass. It is a mountain. Option B is correct answer. Next question is, the chairman of the Finance and Staff Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India was. Options are Rajendra Prasad. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D, B.R. Ambedkar. Answer to this question is Rajendra Prasad. Next question is, National Institute of Disaster Management is located at. Options are Baroda, New Delhi, Cochin, Cuttack. National Institute of Disaster Management is located at New Delhi. Option B is correct answer. Next question is, the volume percentage of oxygen present in the air which we inhale is. Options are 20%, 30%, 40% and 60%. The volume percentage of oxygen present in the air is 30%, which we can inhale. Next question is, the acid produced in the digestive system of a human being is. Options are acetic acid, option B hydrochloric acid, option C formic acid, option D nitric acid. Answer to this question is hydrochloric acid. It is produced in the digestive system of human beings. Next question is, the first nuclear power plant in India was set up at. Options are Tarapur, option B Ramagundam, option C Jaipur, option D Kodankulam. Answer to this question is, the first nuclear power plant in India was set up at Tarapur. Option A is correct answer.